வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, மீண்டும் ஒரு வீடியோவில் சந்திப்பதில் மகிழ்ச்சி. இன்னைக்கு கிளாஸில் we discuss about two topics. One is Kirchhoff's law and another one is the internal resistance of a cell. Then how to define Kirchhoff's law. One is current law and another one is a voltage law. Then current law தான் நம்ம KCL சொல்லுவோம். Then how to define the algebraic sum of the current is 0, that is summation I is equal to 0. Then what are all the physical meaning for current law, that is KCL. Then total current entering, which is equal to then total current leaving. So it is based on the conservation of charge. So then sign conversion is most important. Then current entering the junction, that is positive. If the current leaving the junction, it is a negative. For example, we have to given then I1 and I2 is entering and I3 and I4 which is leaving. So then both are equal. Okay, so problem போடும்போது you can understand. Okay, so then similar for voltage law, how to define the algebraic sum of EMF and potential drop is 0. Similarly, sign convention is 0 and general loop equation. Okay, so these are the most important while doing the problem. Definitely problem தான் கேட்பாங்க இதில். Okay, so next one is internal resistance and EMF of a cell. So then EMF, then electromotive force, then how to define, then E is equal to W by Q. That should be a work done per unit charge. That is the important. Then unit is volt. Then important point you have to note that then electromotive force is independent of external circuit. It only measured when no current flows. Okay, these are all the most important point. Similarly, we have to given the definition for internal resistance, that unit is most important, ohm. Okay, so what is the relationship between the electromotive force and terminal voltage and internal resistance? Okay, so then formula B is equal to E by E minus IR. If the open circuit, then current is 0. Next B, which is equal to E. Okay, so similarly then current through external resistance R is equal to, can be write this. Okay, so both the cases are most important. Definitely is related a problem கேட்கலாம். Okay, so then first problem, here a junction, then 5A and 3A current is entering while 4A is leaving. Then find the remaining current. So we know the KCL formula, incoming which is equal to outgoing, then we have to equal, then we get the current I is equal to 4 ohms. Okay, already we have to given the formula for those problems. Similarly, second problem, already we have to given that problem. Okay, a cell of EMF 12 volt and internal resistance 2 ohms supplies current to 4 ohm resistance, then find the current. So already we have to given that formula, I is equal to then E by R plus R. So all the data given in the question, just we have to put the values in that equation, then we have to get the answer. Okay, so the similar way we have to find out the third question also. Just we have to substitute what given in that formula. All the formula we get given and discussion. Similar for assessment and reasoning, then match the following. Okay, thank you.